Alrighty, here we go. 2018 Leaf football jersey, one box break number 48. We've got Darian with the Dolphins, Vikings, Bucks, and Redskins. Noe with the Saints and Jets. William with the 49ers. Charles with the Patriots and Steelers. Josh D with the Bills, Falcons, Colts, and Seahawks. Martinez with the Titans. Michael B with the Ravens, Panthers, Lions, Giants, and Texans. James with the Bears, Browns, Cowboys, Packers, Chiefs, Chargers. Anthony with the Eagles and Raiders. And Trujillo with the Broncos. Alright guys, as always, thanks for filling it up. Appreciate you guys. And good luck. Tonight's jersey goes to the Chargers. The Chargers, Mr. James Charlie Joyner for the Chargers. From the baby blue Chargers uniform. Charlie Joyner, Hall of Fame 96. There is your JSA sticker. Chargers taking this one down. Sweet jersey, Mr. James. I'll get that in the mail tomorrow, man. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow.